Hello everyone, I am Mohan, working as a school assistant mathematics at ZPS Chintaguda K. Today I am going to explain Mobile Science Lab in this video. This Mobile Science Lab has been donated by Bharat Electronic Limited, Hyderabad. This Mobile Science Lab is inaugurated by our district collector Venkatesh Dhotre sir. In this program, additional collector, director of BHEL, our DO Ashok sir, DSO Madhukar sir, and my co-guide teachers Shanti Kumar sir, Tirupataya sir, Sabir sir, Praveen sir, and Prasanna madam participated along with me. A mobile science lab, also known as Science on Wheels, is a specially designed vehicle equipped with scientific equipment and materials that can travel to different locations, particularly rural tribal villages in our district, to provide hands-on science education outreach activities. Mobile Science Lab can be used to bring science education to underserved communities such as those in rural, tribal or low income areas, and to engage students in science, technology, engineering and mathematics learning outside the traditional classroom setting. This Mobile Science Lab included laboratory equipment such as microscope, centrifugal, spectrometer, as well as material for conducting experiments such as chemical glass, wax and lab materials. This is also included multimedia resources such as interactive display and videos, CCTV enable live streaming to supplement the hands-on activities. This Mobile Science Lab is designed to self-contained with our own power supply and water supply, and are often staffed by trained educators and who provide instructions and guidance to participants. I hope these activities directly engage our students in the material and give them opportunities to achieve a level of mastery. I hope this Mobile Science Lab is very useful to our students.